Told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that it's just stupid? Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today we're working on my fridge and freezer. I deep clean in here every 5 weeks during my zone cleaning. I'm filming a series on how I do zone cleaning in my home. It is a modified version of the FlyLady system from flylady.net. I've adjusted the system to work for me and my schedule. I will be uploading my zone cleaning videos on Saturdays. I hope to see you in the comments there. Now I tidy this fridge every week before I grocery shop, but the cleaning that we're doing today is a much deeper clean, and honestly it took me all day, mainly because I'm working around the camera, but also because of the amount of food that's in here. Since we're in quarantine, I'm unable to grocery shop weekly, so we have groceries delivered bi-weekly. I'm also food prepping more, and we're certainly eating in the home more, if not exclusively. I hope this video gives you the motivation you need to deep clean your fridge. You can either work along with me, or you can sit back, watch, enjoy the music, and laugh at how my height is oftentimes a challenge in projects like this.
Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel
Body's going, leaving my soul out in the pouring rain, alone without a name. I'm a good son, I'm a good brother from a good father. I wanna know where I'm going to and what I'm passing through. Rebound from a turnaround, hitting the ground hard. Thought I'd let you know it wasn't long ago. The truth is, I'd rather be blind to some things in my mind.
I'm down to the very end of this Mrs. Meyer's spray. As soon as I use all this up, I will be opening my Jaws cleaner.
Nobody knows about my highs and lows. Said I wanna go where nobody goes, and nobody knows about my highs and lows. with my highs and lows.
I found this sticky stuff in the corner of the glass shelf. I tried to use the toothbrush to clean it out, but was unable to reach it. Even though all the other shelves are clean, I decided to go ahead and take them all out to hand wash them, since I had to take this one out anyway.
And there's probably more. I don't play the game, they just call me Kid Shame, that's my name. I laugh at you if you stay, and I cry if you walk away. The truth is, I'd rather be blind to some things in my mind. And I wanna go where nobody goes, and nobody knows about my highs and lows. Said I wanna go where nobody goes, and nobody knows about my highs and lows. Wanna be alone with my highs and lows. Yeah, with my highs and lows. Some things in my mind.
Still thinking about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see, the best thing in this life's for free, and that's so true now. And there I was with my world falling apart, hoping just to get by. I played it by heart, and now I sing. I'm with you. I'm with you. Oh, we're cruising down to Mexico. I'm turning up the radio, 'cause I'm with you now. You and me, we know that love is in the air, like the wind blowing through your hair. Oh, I'm with you now. I was waiting for the summer to end, thinking about the good times that we had. Back again, but I'm happy as can be. don't care about what others say when I'm with you now. Through the autumn and the winter snow, keep telling all the friends we know that I'm with you now. Remember when my world was falling apart and hoping just to get by, but without knowing it, I still play it by heart and sing. I'm with you. 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 I'm with you.
I appreciate you visiting my channel today. If you're new here, I hope that you will click the subscribe button and join our community. I'm new to YouTube, and your support means the world to me.
Sitting on the sidewalk, kicking around dust, you're alone around the run. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. You may be a seeker, but I'm a believer, keeping the hope you need. You don't wanna load it onto my shoulders to carry all of your fears, but I can dry your tears. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Ooh, 'cause you make it all through the day. Ooh. Falling for the sirens, looking for guidance. I can be the hand you reach.
I have debris sandwiched between the two layers of plastic of this drawer. I've always been unable to get it out.
To my shoulders, I'll carry all of your fears, and I can dry your tears. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Sitting on the sidewalk, kicking around dust, you're alone around the run. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone.
If labels turned backwards drives you crazy, then you're like me. The reason that I'm putting these in backwards is because this door has a second door that opens up from the other side. So when you open it, all the labels are facing you.
You told me that it wasn't right. I knew it first that time. And even if I was blind, and all those possibilities really knocked me off my feet, surrounding all my dreams. And all I know that was left now, the sun and the stars, now leaving me in the dark, leading me through it all. 'Cause you are the fire left in me, you lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fight out in me. You make me strong, I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me. I've never been that much for love. Thought being free better than none. Tried it before with all I got. And all I know that was left now, the sun and the stars, leaving me in the dark, leading me through it all. 'Cause you are the fire left in me, you lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fight out in me. You make me strong, I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fight out in me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me. When all those dreams got caught up right in the middle, when love was real, like we were in the beginning, when all those dreams told me that I got it right. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me. Left in me.
If you've enjoyed this video, would you please give me a thumbs up?
sworn ally.
I use this drawer mainly for my grandkids' snacks. When they come over, they know that they can get in this drawer and eat anything that they'd like.
And life is just a chain of moments spent, 1,000 hellos and goodbyes. Maybe a love like ours can leave out its call.
Okay, now I'll admit this freezer drawer has gotten way out of hand. Just before we were ordered to social distance, I went to the store and bought a lot of products for my grandkids.
Seasons come and pass, one after the last, and along we go. The shift and pull of the tides never sleeps. But if I had a boat and oceans to cross, then I would sail them. Since I have this promise to keep, I will keep you near, and you are safe with me, and I will stay with you until the
Call it off, let it go. All for nothing, I should have known. I've made mistakes, crashed and burned. So many chances, no time to learn. I need to find another way to make things right. I won't be coming back again a second time. everything you've done. You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know where we belong. Time will tell us where we went wrong. You know youth is wasted on the young. On the young. Setting off, time to go. Engines running, we're on our own. Running on an endless road, reaching for something we used to know. If I had another chance, I'd make things right. I see the light behind your eyes is fading now. Can't take it back, everything you've done. You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know where we belong. Time will tell us where we went wrong. You know.
Once again, I want to thank you for visiting me today. I hope that you've subscribed and will be here with me on Saturday for my zone cleaning series. I hope to inspire you to reclaim your peace by setting up schedules for cleaning, decluttering, cooking, and self-care. Now, these schedules aren't meant to be strict, but to help give you a path to follow. If you want more inspiration, I have added 2 videos above for you to click on. Until we meet again on Saturday, stay well and be blessed, my friends.